We need 1 apple. Cut the apple into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need a cucumber. Cut the cucumber into small slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need ginger. Peel off it. Cut the ginger into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need coriander leaf. Cut the coriander leaf into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon into 2 slices. Take the lemon juice. Now take all the ingredients in a blender. Add 1 glass water. Use blending machine to blend it well. Take the drink in a glass. Add 2 spoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days and you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to follow our page. Thanks for watching.